Feet together. Hands to your side. Shift your weight to your right side. Step out with your left foot. Shoulder width apart. Commencement. Float both your arms up to shoulder level. From here, grasp the sparrow by its tail. Shift your weight to your right side. Open your arms up. Step out with your left foot. Place your right hand on your left forearm and press forward. Continue pushing through your right arm. Turn to your right. Give it your left nose in. Step out with your right foot. Press forward. Flip your palms over. Roll back. Toss it at a 45-degree angle. Go all the way around. Push your palm forward. Create a hook. Step back with your left toes. About to do single whip. From here, lift hands, step forward. Shift your weight to your right side. Pivot your left toes in. Shift your weight back to your left. Right hand down. Step out. Your right foot. Press forward. Push down. Step up with your left foot. Create a bird's beak with your right. Bring it all the way up to the top. Next, white crane spreads its wings. Sink down. Left hand brushing the knee. Bring the left hand up. All the way to the top. And back down. Turn your palms over. Face you. Brush knee and step forward. Turn to your right. Weight on the right foot. Step out with the left foot. Brush the left knee as you snake your right hand through. You're looking at the tiger's mouth. Shift your weight to your left side. Bring your right hand by your left shoulder. Step out with your right foot. Brush the right knee as you snake your left hand through. Last time, you do this 3 times. Next, drumming the loop. Sit back, bring your left hand down, right hand down, raise your left arm. Turn to your right, sink down, going into a left bow stance. Place your left hand by your left side. Step up with your right foot. Place your right hand by your waist. Looks like you're playing the bass guitar. Next, flex, parry, and punch. Shift your weight to your right side. Palm over palm. Step out with your left foot. Bring your hands all the way around. Drop your left hand. Bring it back up. And punch. Next, a true float. Bring your left hand behind your right arm. Race it all the way through. Imagine you're splashing water to your face. Push out one more time. Number 10, cross hands. Hands over. Turn to your right. Spread your arms out. Step in with your left foot. Bring your hands all the way up to the top. and back down. Next, grasp the sparrow by its tail, opposite side. Start off just like brush knee at a 45-degree angle. From here, bring your left hand over your right. Use your right hand to pull your left hand back. Toss it at a 45-degree angle. Bring it all the way around. Push your palm out. Create a bird's beak. Step back. With your right foot. Single whip. Drop to the side. From here. Take big down. Turn your forward to the right. Turn that bird's beak. Face the top. Step up with your left knee and step back. Going into a right bow stance. Here. Golden rooster. Stand on one leg. Shift your weight to the right side. Raise. The left hand as long as your left knee. And flip your palm over. Step down with your left foot. Raise. Right knee as well as your right hand. From here, pulse the monkey. Bring back your hands as well as your right foot. Step back with your right foot. We're ending that position as monkey. Sit back. Put your left hand and right hand down. Left arm up. Pull back your left hand. Push with your right hand. Pull back your left foot. Step back with your left foot. Stay. That left hand through. Last time. Do this 3 times. This is the hardest move in the entire form. From here, needle at the bottom of the ocean. Sit back, point your right fingers down, bring your left hand by your right shoulder, step in with your right foot, sink down, tap the ocean. Next, flash through the back, just like the 24, right after the needle at the bottom of the ocean. Then flash through the back. So bring your hand up, your right hand up, step up with your left foot. Trace your left hand. By your right arm. Here. So yeah, this is flash through the back. So next one is I don't know what they call this, like an oblique punch or something. Yeah, they had this in the 42. Shift your weight to your right side. Clench your fist. Step out with your right foot. Punch downward. Next, fist under the elbow. Push out with your left hand. Bring your left hand back as you sit back. Hold your right hand all the way around. Place your right fist over your left elbow. Okay? From here, wild horse parts of Spain. Shift your weight to your left side. Step out with your right foot. Bring your right hand up, Push your left hand down. This is a similar pose to, what do they call that? Flying slant pose.